let us cook fried chicken a la Chickenjoy. Just a disclaimer, this is not Jollibee's recipe. Before we start, we have to make sure that we clean and wash our chicken. Then we prepare a mixture of water and salt. Put it in the container and soak the chicken overnight. Then keep it in the fridge. Alright, before we start frying the chicken, we need to make sure that we pat it dry. We can use kitchen towel or any other clean cloth. Then we season it generously with salt and pepper. Make sure you will put salt and pepper even underneath the skin. Then prepare another mixture. Mix 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour with 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Then add 1/2 tablespoon of 5 spices. Then we have to add 1/4 tablespoon of powdered garlic and another 1/4 tablespoon of powdered onion. Make sure that you again coat and season the chicken generously even underneath the skin. Now we're ready to fry it. Deep fry it. Okay, we're done. Chicken is ready for dinner.